Here's Tegan in his snow outfit. He's about to go sledding, right? Say hi, Teags. Say hi. 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 We're going sledding. Yay. Look, he's all excited. He's all ready. There he is. He's outside.
Snow bunny.
About to go on his first sleigh ride. But look at all the snow that's around him. Look at that.
One more.
Go ahead, put him down.
Wait, one more. Here, hand in.
And it's still snowing. And that, if you could tell, is my Honda Accord. And behind it is Katie's CRV. Buried. And our neighbor's Saturn. Could almost be a VW Beetle. Hi, Teags. Hi.
What's Mama doing to you?
Look, it's taller than you. The pile of snow. That's the wind drift.
Okay? Okay.
Come on.
Jump over. Go to Dada.
Come here. Come here, Teags. Here he comes.
Yay!
Come on.
Ready? To the sled. We're going to turn it this way.
Got your seatbelt.
Don't want no accidents. Okay, sit. Yay! Okay, we're going to buckle you in. Okay, ready? Where'd it go? Zoom! Is it too snowy for you? You ready? You like it? Here comes Teags. Okay, Teags. Ready? Woo! Begin. Woo! Here you come.